Hello everyone. We welcome you to our presentation on data and services that are readily available to you by the Office of Institutional Research. In this presentation, we are going to touch on data sources, data types, databases available, survey research results, and data analyses. And toward the end of this presentation, there will be a workshop evaluation. So, how many majors do we have at Morgan? Let's just say that we have the meticulous records in Excel from a department administrative assistant who has a count of 110 majors. Then, at 9 a.m. when you check Apex, and you see a count of 122 majors. Okay, so now your department chair who knows SQL at 10 a.m. queries banner and got a count of 125 majors. You then decide to call our office, and we tell you that we have a count of 105 majors. So now what do? And how do you get the actual count of majors? Now, let's focus our attention on data sources that are banner-driven and outside of banner. In terms of banner-driven, you have SQL queries, data from Apex that pulls data from banner, institutional research files, and data from EAB Navigate and EAB APS. Then you have data outside of banner like data that are only housed in Excel or Access, data from National Student Clearinghouse, Maryland Longitudinal Data System, and survey data. Okay, so what kind of data types are there? As you get more into the data, you will find that there are three kinds of data: live data, warehouse data, and frozen data. Live data continues to be updated in real time. Data warehouse, on the other hand, is a centralized repository of institutional data that ensures users across the university are reporting from and using a common and consistent version of the data. Finally, frozen data provide us with a snapshot of the data on the day it was saved that never changes. And this leads us to institutional research's frozen files. Examples of frozen data include census data that captures enrollment, retention rates, and degrees conferred. Typically, these are types of data files that are our official files we report to the state and federal agencies. Our enrollment data is pulled from Banner Student module. Our faculty and staff data are pulled from Banner Human Resources module. And our data files are unit records. The types of enrollment data that are readily available are major, degree sought, attendance, first-time status, credit hours attempted, tuition status, and geographic origin. Other enrollment data include birth year, gender, race and ethnicity, high school GPA, SAT and ACT scores, military status, and finally, distance education status. The types of degree information readily available are degree awarded level, degree awarded date, and major. Also included are cumulative hours earned, cumulative GPA, gender, and race and ethnicity. If a student has more than one major, then there is one record per major for that student. The types of readily available employee data are gender, citizenship, race and ethnicity, birth year, full or part-time status, date of initial employment, date of employed in current position, and principal occupation. Other employee data include academic rank and tenure, program assignment for faculty, contract type, salary, highest degree attained, and promotion and appointment status. If you are looking for data from our office, you can find much of the data on our webpage that is listed here. You can also scan the QR code that will also take you to our website. In looking at survey research, institutional research uses many surveys to capture data from our student, employees, and employers of our students. These internal surveys are student satisfaction that is done in conjunction with Office of Institutional Effectiveness, undergraduate alumni, and employer survey. Then you have external surveys such as National Survey of Student Engagement, Faculty Survey of Student Engagement, and U.S. News Best Colleges Survey. This is a sample of survey results taken from Spring 2022 Student Satisfaction Survey on Would a Student Enroll Again? Here you can see that 55% said yes. Here is another sample from Class of 2021 ratings of preparation for graduate school or work. As you can see, whether it is employment or graduate school, most of the respondents' rating was either good or excellent. Sample results from the 2022 Employer Satisfaction with Morgan graduates revealed that 92% of the respondents were satisfied and very satisfied. The web-based survey tool that the Office of Institutional Research uses is Campus Labs. This tool is free to students, faculty, and staff. If you need an account, please contact us. Next, we will do a demonstration of our interactive data. Here is a demonstration of the interactive data on our website. Our office also does data analyses. In fact, there are two types of data analyses: descriptive and inferential. Descriptives comprise frequencies and percentages, means, medians, and modes. There are also cross-tabulations and maps using GIS data. Inferential, on the other hand, consist of group differences, regression and prediction, as well as reliability of scales and factor analysis of scales. And now we have come to the end of our presentation. We hope you were able to get something out of the information provided. Our staff are Divakar Kanal, Cheryl Rollins, Erica Thomas, and Tiffany Thompson. If you need help with data, please let us know how we can assist. But before you go, please complete the workshop evaluation. Just scan the QR code. And that is it. We once again thank you for your time.